package in the mail from Topeka, Kansas. So that's cool. Let's open her up. I think it's an eBay package. Alright, cool beans. Thank you very much. So I bought one recently, pretty cheap, with a broken door. And the idea was that I'm going to make a replacement door. God knows when that'll happen. But this is the original that I bought. And this is the much nicer version that I just picked up that came out of this package. Gull wing doors are so cool. Even BMW jumped in on the bandwagon in the 1970s. So this might be a Wedge car you're not even familiar with. It was simply called the BMW Turbo. And it predates the M1. And it actually showcased a lot of safety innovations. But it was a neat little car, rear-engined, 4-cylinder turbo. Got a few other castings of this thing. This one is probably the nicest. Also has opening doors. I'm not gonna take this one out right now, but I have other videos of it. And it's sort of the it's in that trilogy of once again Porsche, BMW, Mercedes. You know, they all did some wacky stuff back in the day. Porsche obviously is the one that's known for turbos more than anybody else, including companies like Saab that were right at the forefront that are now gone. And the Mercedes C111 had the gull wing doors. That was a car that was famous for being, at one point it was supposed to be the introduction for the Wankel to go mainstream with Mercedes. It never happened, but there's also C111 prototypes that had V8s from what I understand. The single overhead cam V8s that later made it into the 126s and 116s, W and C 116s and all that. Yeah. So anyway, these things are cool. At some point I'm going to make a door for this. And I'm sure it won't be perfect, but I'm going to try to keep this part for obvious reasons. It'll be a lot easier to JB weld and create a door out of plastic. Yeah, this one's a much nicer example. And all things considered, I got a really good deal on it on eBay. I made an offer and the person accepted, and that's always nice. I made a couple of offers that were declined, and this person accepted, so they got my money. So that's capitalism. That's how that works. Win-win. Hope everybody's having a good weekend.